Hello, welcome again. As I promised, I will continue from my last tutorial. We are still there. So, in the last tutorial, we have created a dashed line. Let's make it something special or something. See the line? This is the pattern. Okay, let's add another property to this line. Okay, let's see now what has happened. Let's try to understand what has happened. So it has created an offset of 5 pixels. Maybe it's not clear from this figure. Let's try to make this pixel a different. Let's make it 10 and let's make it 2D. So at first set it to 0 and you will see the first 10 pixel is visible and the next 2 pixel is invisible. Now let's make it 5. See, it has skipped the first 5 pixels. It seems that it has skipped the first 5 pixels. So, first visible pattern, see, it seems 5 pixel. Invisible pattern seems it's 2 pixel. 5 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel. That means at the beginning, 5 pixel is offset data. That means cut out. This is the property. This is the aim of this stroke dash offset property. Okay, let's draw something more. Let's add few other lines. No need. I hope you can draw a line very easily. Let's try to draw a slider. We are drawing a slider. It has 3 parameters. Minimum value we will put 0, maximum value and current value. Okay, it doesn't know what is slider, so we have to import something. Let's press Alt Enter. It will show us him. It is showing that add import for JavaFX.scene.control.slider. That means we are importing this. Yeah. Now we are ready to work with slider. Let's see. Okay. We have to add this slider. Okay, we added to the slider. We added the slider to our root as a children node. child node we have added the slider also. See, the slider is here. The slider is on the line itself. We don't want to see this. So let's set, before adding the slider, let's set its position to a different location. Maybe slider dot set layout X, maybe 5. Maybe 10. Let's see, where is it paste now? It's still in the same position. Let's put the value larger one. Why it is still in the same position? It looks like that something is not working here. What may be the reason? Okay, this is the problem with stuck pane. This is the problem with stuck pane. So we are shifting, instead of stuck pane we are shifting to group. Okay, now it should be fine. Yeah, now it should be fine. Let's build it at position maybe 100. Now it should be fine. So when we are adding more than we have set X property, set layout X, I have to set layout Y actually. Maybe I was using the same variable. Let's try with the stuck pane and see what happens actually. Yeah, I am right. I was using the same variable. That was the reason it was showing maybe white result. Your result. Let's try. No. Stuck pane is not good, I think, for adding more than one object. Let's shift to group. We are fine now. So our slider is added. See, this point is placed at 0. Why? Because our value of the slider is 0. As I have said, the first parameter is minimum value 0, maximum value 100, and current value 0. If I give it 50, that sorry, what is happening? The circular point or circular marker should go in the middle. Let me put it 50. Yeah, it has gone to 50. Let's keep it 0. Okay, we have given the dash offset value to 5. Let's do something. We will use the slider and change the dash offset property of the red line. How can we do it? To do it, we have to do a special thing. Let's see what I am doing. Redline dot set stroke dash property. Redline dot stroke dash property. This property will be binded. We are going to bind. This property will be binded with our slider dot value. So slider's value will be now binded to redline's stroke dash offset property. So if we change the value of slider, and the value of the slider that is changed to, for example, I'm after dragging the slider to 40, the dash offset property of redline will be also 40. Okay. This is done. See now what is happening? It's showing a nice animation. That means the dash offset property, see, I am increasing the dash offset slider value, and the offset value is also being increased along with that. Right now it is 0. The line is perfectly 5, was it 5, 1, 10, 2, 10 visible, 2 invisible. Let's make it slider value maybe 5. So now see, 5 visible, 2 invisible. Now the visible part is, first visible part is gone. Okay, done. So we have seen how the slider is changing that offset property of a redline. Redline's stroke dash offset value is actually binded with slider's value. That is why if we change the slider, the dash offset property of redline is also changed. Okay, hope to see you in next lecture. Thanks for today. Happy learning. In the next lecture also we'll start from here and try to add a text box. Thanks. See you in next lecture.